Key global indices and stocks surrendered gains made earlier in the month to mostly finish in the red in the month of August, after the US Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell hinted at more aggressive rate hikes to curb inflation. Nevertheless, some stocks in Singapore managed to eke out more gains. Find out how Corp warrants tracking Singapore shares Keppel Corp and City Development respectively gained 25% and 14% in the month of August, and how to use index put warrants to hedge against further short-term downside in the markets. Hi, I'm Jamie from Macquarie Warrants, and I'm here to share with you some highlights of the market action last month and how you could have used warrants to capture some of these moves. The biggest news affecting stock markets in the month of August was probably US Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell's comments that the Fed will continue raising interest rates and shrink its balance sheet in a bid to bring down inflation until the job is done, even if this will bring some pain to households and businesses. His hawkish comments led major markets to sell off towards the end of the month. Meanwhile, news of a Chengdu lockdown in China, announced easing measures that may not be enough to sustain China's recovery into next year, are adding to the negative investor sentiment. Investors worried about an extended sell-off in markets into the month of September can seek protection via index put warrants. Put warrants allow investors to potentially gain when the underlying falls. Unlike call warrants whose prices tend to move in the same direction as the underlying, put warrants tend to move in the opposite direction to the underlying, increasing in value as the underlying falls and decreasing in value when the underlying rises. Like call warrants, put warrants also provide magnified returns. Take the example of Macquarie's trending BYD put, WGAW, in the month of August. When BYD fell 15.2% to 242.2 Hong Kong dollars in the month of August on news of Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway trimming their stake in the company, trending BYD put warrant WGAW gained 32.9% from 7.6 cents to 10.1 cents. While trending BYD call warrant ZY0W fell 67.3%. However, it was not all gloom and doom for investors. Some stocks in Singapore, for example, surprised with positive news and strong share price moves. 4 months after we first highlighted the same stocks alongside their call warrants as standout performance in the month of April, Keppel Corp and City Developments have once again emerged as some of the top index constituents on the STI in the month of August. Keppel Corp was up 5.7% in August after announcing better than expected income in the first half of the year. The company had added that they were expecting an improving outlook of the offshore and marine sector on rising oil prices. The 5.7% increase in Keppel Corp shares led Keppel Corp call warrant HMPW to increase 25.4% from 7.1 cents to 8.9 cents. City Developments was also driven by robust earnings results. Notably, the company saw record first half-yearly profits during the month. The stock was up 4.9%, while CityDev call warrant ZCVW rose 14.3% from 2.1 cents to 2.4 cents. For further details on warrants and how to start trading them, log on to www.warrants.com.sg or feel free to contact us at our warrant hotline. Also, don't miss out on timely market news, as well as warrant investment ideas by scanning the QR codes in blue to join our Telegram channel. Looking forward to speaking to you again in next month's market commentary video. My name is Jamie, and I'll see you soon.